Hello guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So we are at the end of our this particular topic, constructor reference. So let's write one more example for kind of application. So going to create this thing, a class student. Let's create a separate classes. Student, and this class will have, let's say, some fields like private, string, name. Let's have some fields. So let's say it's going to be int age, let's say roll number, and one more, let's say marks, different type, so I'm going to call it double type, right? So we can have wrong, okay, so we can have marks in decimals. Okay, and to initialize them I will use constructor. So make sure you're using both constructors, one with argumented and one default. Always keep in your practice. And no need of super, it by default added by the compiler. So our things are ready, and just print everything. Let's have two in case if I need to print. Okay, so our class is ready with some fields, constructors, and done, because that's the whole idea. Constructor, we need constructor, so we can call constructor reference. Okay, one more class, let's call uh, student tester. Done. And even we don't have method yet, sorry, the interface, that will be done. So let's call this, it's not going to be a class, so right click, new, I'll pick interface, and let's just call it just let's say school. Weird, but we have an interface school, and just says public, not void this time because we are talking about constructor reference. So this method must return object type of student, and let's say get, just method is get is enough. And idea is I want to call argumented constructor. So how many arguments we have here? 1 2 3 4. So I'm keeping all 4 copied and pasted right here, and my method is done. It's going to be abstract method because it's going to be function interface. Okay, so our classes are ready. Time for testing. So first idea, let's say I just know code Java till 7, and I'm writing my code as per 1.7. So how it goes, you have to create a student reference equals new, and go for this approach, right? So it says age is, let's say, 12, roll number is 0, let's say 0 1, and marks, let's say 89.9. okay, done. So we have this class, and of course I can sys out things, and toString will get activate and print stuffs. Wow, working fine. It's a code Java space, right? Let's do the same by using lambdas. So before that, let me create a separator. So here goes the separator. Okay, for lambdas, first of all you need to have reference. So school interface name is school. Weird name for interface, but that's fine. It matches. So here goes the left section which holds reference, and I need to pass arguments, not just one or two, multiple arguments, right? So parenthesis, paste it, and arrow, and then what? I need to create object, right, or return something. So I can say new student, and this one. So name will be, let's say, current, age 12, roll number is 10, marks 90.6. okay, done. And even you don't need to type, no need to give the type, right? It is already knows, it knows what you're passing. So this also work. And then what? Let's call the reference school dot get, and here comes the scenario like what you're passing, right? Because either you can go for this approach or just what, call the method. So we have two options, either you can go for this or that, and accordingly you can pass. So let's just copy this for now, and semicolon, it will enhance it, and let's run this code. I have executed this code, and get is we don't have anything here to print, so let's try to call toString, which is not a great idea, but for now I just want to print all values, right? So goes tester, execute it, and one more thing I missed here, school.get, and let's not call this execute. Let's pass this without any argument, right? Okay, I have a reference what's going on right here. Get is there, school.get, get is here, takes object type, returns, and trying to call the constructor. Thing is, constructor is just initializing the fields, not printing stuff, and somehow it's not even printing it. So let me do this, because even toString turning some stuffs. So let's do one thing, sys out and then toString. Okay, and let's run the code. Okay, so it's working now, and even if I comment this out, yeah, and with this we have idea, and this out is like happening 2 times. Even if I comment this out, this will work because we have just called the constructor. Okay, what about method reference? So for method reference, we can go for simple approach, type, then give the school type, then equals, then what's the object? Student. So student colon colon and new. That's it. And when it comes to calling, then pass school dot get, and accordingly pass these fields. Let's say version, let's say 14, roll number 7, and 99.0, and done. And if I call this, run this code, we should get one more output. So here we are. So it's working as per the requirement. So first one is just a call, constructor is happening, and then printing the stuffs. Then next I'm calling by using lambda expressions, and it's happening. Now third is method reference, where we just called new keyword. This is just create the instance, but which constructor has to call, this is decided by the method get. When you go inside this get method, it returns object type, and it has like 4 arguments, so it goes there and check out the argument which 4 types, and then I'm printing it. Without this out, it won't print. It's up to you whether you want to go for toString or create your own stuffs. So that's how it works, guys. So that's it for constructor reference. If you still have some doubt or questions, please mention in the comment section. I'll definitely reply there. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.